Welcome everyone, here's how you restart your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So the first way, this is the easiest way, is you're going to find the power button and the volume down key. You're going to press and hold these two keys together until you see the power off menu. So what I recommend is you get your right thumb, put it on the power button, and then you use your left index finger on the volume down, and then press and hold these two together. 3, 2, 1, press and hold, press and hold, press and hold, keep on holding. And once you see this menu, you see restart, tap on the restart, and tap on the restart one more time. Now, here is the deal. There is another way. If you slide down from the top once, slide down one more time, you're going to see the power icon. Tap on this icon and it will bring you to the exact same menu where you can tap on restart. If you watch this far and your phone is actually frozen, then I'll have a tutorial on how to force restart in the description down below. That will fix the frozen screen or any issues that may require a force restart or soft reset. And with that being said, thanks for watching. Check out some accessories for Z Flip 4 in the description. Bye bye.